So okay, the part one actually got very abruptly it stopped. So we were here in the part one, so we are going to start from there. So this is where most of the students get confused. So you take down one question and you should practice that question so that all your doubts get cleared. The question is, who is Balthazar and who is Dr. Bellario? You people try and answer that question. That will actually give you a you won't
Sir,
get
can I
confused
answer
in
it
the
for
exam.
now?
The question is 1 second. Right? Question is, who is Balthazar? Who is Balthazar? And who is Dr. Bellario? And who is Dr. Bellario? Who wants to answer that?
Me.
Hi.
Pratyaksh.
Okay. Pratyaksh answer.
Balthazar is one of the most favorite servants of Portia, and Dr. Bellario is a cousin who is who's a doctor in law. He's a
He's
doctor.
a doctor of law. You can say he's a doctor of law.
Lawyer.
Yeah, doctor of law. Basically, he's a lawyer. Okay, yes, very good. So you people don't get confused between these two names. Okay, most of the people get confused. Balthazar is actually one of the servants, you can say, or one of the help of Portia, and Portia trusts him a lot because he has always been of use to Portia. And Dr. Bellario, on the other hand, is one of the cousins of Portia and who happens to be a lawyer, who happens to be a doctor of law. So Portia actually seeks help of Dr. Bellario in getting her the books and the disguise and maybe the plan also, how she is going to execute and what is she going to say in the court. So everything has been worked out by Dr. Bellario, and she forwarded her the all the examples and maybe all the quotations or everything which she needs for the case. That everything was passed by Dr. Bellario. Okay. So now Jessica is saying to Balthazar, now Balthazar, as I have ever found thee honest true, so let me find thee still. She is saying, you have always been of use to me. You have always helped me in the right way. So now I need another help from you, and I hope that like earlier times, you are still going to be of benefit to me. So work as you have been so from the past. Okay. So please work for me again. I need your help right now. So as I have ever found thee honest true, so let me find thee still. Take this same letter and use thou all the endeavor of a man in speed to Padua. She is saying that whatever is possible, okay, use all the means and be very fast. माने जितना तेज तुम जा सकते हो, the faster you can go, the faster a man can go. Okay, with the speed which a man can go with that speed, the maximum speed with which a man can travel. Go to Padua, meet my cousin Dr. Bellario. See thou render this into my cousin's hand. Okay, give this letter of mine to Dr. Bellario. Dr. Bellario, and look what notes and garments he does give thee. Okay, what notes and garments he does give thee. Okay, so write another question. What help does Portia seek? What help does Portia seek from Dr. Bellario? What help does Portia seek from Dr. Bellario? Okay, so what help does Portia seek from Dr. Bellario? She needs option A,
She
notes
needs a
and garments.
recommendation letter.
Notes and garments. Okay, and obviously recommendation letter also. Recommendation letter also. Okay, so what notes and garments he does give thee, bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed onto the Trenac, to the common ferry. Trenac is basically the landing place where all the ferries they are like parked out there, which trades to Venice, which goes to Venice. Okay, all the ferry, or to the place where all the ferries are, which actually trade or travel towards Venice. Waste no time in words. Don't waste any time. Get thee gone. Start now. I shall be there before thee, and I'll reach the Trenac before thee. So you need to go to Bellario, pick up the notes and garments and the letter, and come back as swiftly as possible. Understood?
Yes,
तो यहाँ पे जो पोर्शिया कह रही है ना, I shall be there before the, तो फिर ये किस प्लेस का बात कर रही है? वेनिस का बात कर रही है ना?
No,
Yeah.
no. Venice कैसे? ये जहां पर वो जो ships मिलेंगी उसको वहां पे ना, from there तो she has to collect all the notes and what do you say, notes and garments ना.
Okay.
There is a common ferry where all the boats are. Okay, now all these boats they will travel to Venice. So she wants that he goes as fast as possible to Dr. Bellario. Okay, take all the notes and garments and letters from him, come back to the Trenic here, and Portia will meet him here. She will take all the notes and whatever garments and whatever is there, and she will go to the ferry and she will go to Venice. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, there
Yes.
is one more thing which you should actually pay attention to. She is saying, you have always been honest to me, that is okay, and true to me, honest and true. Why does she says this word, honest and true?
She's trying to convince him for the
भरोसा
youth that she's given
ये
him.
बोर्शिया उस पे
No, there is one very like very deep meaning of this.
मतलब
Actually-
पोर्शिया जैसे उसको बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क के लिए भेजो इसके उसको
Now, why
बोलिए कि
she is
मुझे धोखा
referring
मत
this to?
देना
Why she is? It's okay. She knows he is honest. She knows he's true, everything. But why she is telling this to him?
Because
Why she's
He's
referring-
Balthazar must,
probably done things like this before.
because Balthazar must be one of the faithful servant of Portia.
He was a faithful servant. He
हो
was a
सकता है
faithful
उसको
servant.
बताने के लिए कि ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कोई काम
क्या क्या
वो तो
स्वयं
मैंने
once
बोल
again?
दिया
क्या?
जैसे कि ये बहुत कोई इम्पोर्टेंट काम है उसके लिए
No. Only Balthazar knows that Portia is not going to the. Where is she not
Oh.
going? To the church, na?
Yeah.
Why?
Mm.
Why? She says, na, I'm going to be in a monastery. So only Balthazar will know that Portia is actually not going to the monastery. She is actually going somewhere else because she asks Balthazar to meet at a Trenic where the ferries are. So definitely Balthazar knows that she is lying, right? And he is the
Yes,
only
sir.
person who knows that.
यस सर
Correct. That is why Portia actually on the face is telling him that you are honest and true, so that he doesn't reveal to anybody that Portia is actually not going to the monastery, is going somewhere else. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes.
सर
Okay. So you can write this question. Why does Portia addresses Balthazar as being honest and true? Why does Portia addresses Balthazar as being honest and true? See, this question I don't think so has ever been asked in MOV, and the chances of people asking this question is also very rare. But because I am absolutely scared, because I saw one of the, what happened to Priya in one of our school exam, so I'm very scared. So I actually try to go deep and deeper still, so that I can bring out the meaning of each and every phrase. So that is why I'm discussing this question. Otherwise, nobody will discuss this question. I hope if any teacher of of yours is listening to this video or seeing this video, many teachers actually watch my video. They thank me also personally. So if they are watching this question, this video, I hope they don't pick up this question and give it in your exam. But even if they give, no problem. Now you know the meaning. Why she is addressing him as honest and true. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let's move forward. Madam, I'll go with all convenient speed. Okay, no problem. Portia, come on, Nerissa. I will work in hand that you yet know not of. We will see our husbands before they think of us. Okay. Why does Portia tells Nerissa that they are going to see their husbands before they think of us? Yes, anybody answer?
Because she has a plan in her mind which Nerisha does not know.
That is okay. But why does she say these things before they think of us? Because they don't expect them to see. They will actually,
back.
Portia and Nerissa will see their husbands. Their husbands won't see them because they won't actually realize that this person, these guys are actually in disguise. Okay. So Portia and Nerissa are going to meet their husband in Venice. Understood? And what do you say? Greciano and Bassanio thinks that they are going to meet them in Belmont. But Portia and Nerissa are going to see them before they think of them. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nerissa, straight away, shall they see us? But if they sell, they will see us, but they won't recognize us. Okay. Yes, they shall, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished what that we lack. What does this line means? We are accomplished with what that we lack.
That Portia is saying to Nerissa that they will see us, Nerissa, but in a dress, but in a dress that they will think that we possess the quality that we do not have.
No. They will see we are accomplished. That is, we have some quality that actually we lack. And what are those qualities? The qualities of being a boy. Okay, they don't have the quality of boys, nah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They shall, Nerissa, but in such habit that they shall think we are accomplished with what we lack. Like they will see us like a boys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will hold thee any wagger when we are both accounted like young man. I will prove the prettier fellow of the two. Now Perusha is saying, now when we both disguise ourselves as boys, I will look more handsome than you. I will look more like a boy than you. Okay. And I will wear my dagger with a braver grace. I'll carry my dagger much better than you will do. And speak the change of man and boy with a reed voice and turn two mincing steps. What does two mincing steps means?
Small ladylike steps.
No. I will turn two mincing steps into a manly stride. Yeah. Two small steps into one. You know, there is a difference in the way the boys walk and the way the girls walk. Okay. Boys, though, they walk like Dara Singh. Okay. They walk as if they are John Cena. Okay. You can't see me. They will walk like this, the boy. And they'll take big steps. But the girls, they take small steps. Okay. So Portia is saying that I will start walking like boys. Okay. I will change two mincing steps, like two small steps into a manly stride, and speaks of phrase like a fine bragging youth. Now what does this mean? And speak of phrase. Phrase means fight. Like a fine bragging youth.
बहुत वो करेगी, ब्रैग करेगी कोई चीज के बारे में.
You see, when there are a group of guys out there, they are standing there, and you just start this talk. You can do this for experiment also. Okay. When four or five boys are standing in a group, you just go there and say, you know what? Yesterday I beat up a boy. Yesterday I went and I just slapped a boy. You know what will happen? All the boys will come up with their own stories. Arey, what one slap, man? I went to the bloody gangster's house and I just actually gave him, I just caught hold of him like this. I pulled up his, I just caught hold of his collar and I gave him, I spanked him. Whenever you talk of boys, they will talk as if they have beaten everybody. They will never say that who has beaten them. They will always brag. They will always brag that, oh, I'll beat him. I have beaten him. Once I actually, you know what I did? I took a revolver from the policeman and ran. All this kind of story you will see. Okay. So the boys, they are like kekus. Okay. They will find braggart there. So here Portia is saying, I will also brag like youths. And I will tell quaint lies. Quaint lies means fancy lies. Arey, you know what my friend was saying? I was looking like a Shahrukh Khan. Arey, you don't know, yaar. I am more handsome than Ranveer Singh. Not that Ranveer Singh is handsome. I don't find him handsome as well. But all the boys, they all think that they are supermodels. Okay, they all are Ronaldos. Okay. So they will say quaint lies, fancy lies. And all the boys will say, you know what? 10 out of 9 girls of my classroom, they all like me. I am the favorite of the girls. Okay, all the girls, they come to me. Isn't it, Priya?
No, sir.
What? You people, you are studying in a co-ed school? No.
No girls' school.
Then what you will know? You go in a co-ed school, then you will know. All the boys will come and say, you know what, that girl, that girl, this girl, you know, and as if they are Shahrukh Khan, you know, as if they are Shahrukh Khan is another just stupid guy, as if they are Bahubali. The boys will pretend as if they are Bahubali. Okay. So they will say, so here Portia is saying, I'll say fancy lies. How honorable ladies sought my love, and which I denying, they fell sick and died. Means so many girls, they proposed to me, and when I say no to them, they fell sick and died. Understood, Pratyaksh? Doesn't happen with you, right? Does it happen to you?
No.
No. I could not do with all. So Portia is saying that I will tell all the people that how girls love me. I am Kishan Kanhaiya. Okay. And they propose to me. And when I say no, they actually fell sick and they die. Oh, then I will repent. Oh, mere karan kitni ladkiyan mar gayi. I am a bloody killer. Then I will repent and wish for all that I had not killed them. That I wish कि मैंने इतनी लड़कियों को नहीं मारा होता. अब मैं क्या करूं? I am Kishan Kanhaiya. You know, there are so many girls who just fall in love with me. Oh my God, I'm so handsome. Okay. So Portia is saying, I'm going to lie all this. And 20 of these puny lies I'll tell. That men shall swear I have discontinued school about a 12th month. I have within my mind, okay, yeah, that men will swear that I have discontinued school after about a 12 month. Discontinue school here means that he is now a boy who is actually matured enough. Okay. Mind, he has left his school. He must be in a college, or maybe like he is, like you say, he is around mid-20s. Okay. He's becoming he's an in-between man and a boy. Okay. So she's saying that that people will swear that I am a grown-up guy now. Okay. And they will think me as if I am a boy who has just discontinued school, like who has just crossed his school life and is actually become a semi-man. He's almost becoming like a man. Okay. About a 12 month. I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of this bragging jacks. But I have so many tricks with me, or so many talks, or so many things which I know that boys talk about. So I can actually pretend myself to be a boy and can easily pass off as a boy. Okay. So that basically means that Portia has done a lot of inquiries about the boys. She knows a lot about the boys. Okay. She has done all the thesis on the boys and she knows everything about the boys. Okay.
PhD.
Which, as she has seen Morocco, na, what a brag Morocco was. She has seen arrogance. She has seen so many princes. So she knows everything about boys. You know, how do they behave and how do they just pretend to be what they are not. Okay. Which I will practice. But come, I'll tell thee all my whole device when I am in my coach, which stays for us at the park gate. And therefore haste away, for we must measure 20 miles today. But I'll tell you everything now in the boat itself. Okay, let's go to the boat. Let's get up into the boat, the coach, and then I'll tell you what whatever the plan is, I'll tell you, then we will work on it. Okay. So another question. What is the question which you can take from here?
Yes, sir.
How can Portia
Portia.
no, what are the things? What are the things Portia plans to do to prove to others that she
Portia plans to
do? What are the things Portia plans to do to prove to others that she is actually a boy? What are the things Portia
So
plans to do?
exaggerated at another level.
No, but the boys do like that. I mean, don't be. The boys are braggarts. They do brag.
But not at this extent. I don't.
Arey, this extent only, and much more than this. Much more than this. You people are COVID batch, na? You have not been to school of late. That is why you don't know. You people don't know what school life is. You people only know school when you were in class 8. Okay, that is like junior classes. Now the time had come now for you people to be in class 9 and 10 and to do all this stuff.
तब
But
से
you
कोविड
people
आ
have
गया,
wasted it. Huh?
तब से कोविड आ
Yeah,
गया.
actually, you people have wasted golden years of your life. Like, it's a dream of every person not to be in class 10 and become a senior, especially for schools which are up to class 10.
Nay, my dream was to enjoy farewell and valedictory. Teachers perform, students perform,
And beat
everyone's
the
performing
junior
for you.
students.
Yeah, and drag them. You know, the basically
the
the schools which
students.
are up. Yeah, the schools which are up to class 10. I mean, it is a dream of every boy that okay, I'll show you where I'll go to class 10. Yeah, and things change, you know. When you go to class 9, 10, things change because now you are taller. Okay, you have little mustaches and semi beards. You people have. Teachers also, they take you like little seriously when you go to class 9 and 10. And that's the same teacher who was who you used to get scared of. These teachers are scared of you now because now you find that Mr. Mitra is only 5'4" and I am 5'10". So Mr. Mitra, who used to actually scandalize you, is now coming to your shoulders. So you know
Sir, the
everything
same
changes
thing
when you
has
go to class
happened.
9, 10.
There's
Everything
this
changed
English
dramatically,
teacher
you know.
called Anthony.
Huh?
There's this English teacher called Anthony. Everyone was scared of him. Now everyone, we crack jokes about him in his class.
चिल्ला
When
चिल्ला के
I was
बोलते
when
हो.
I was in class 4, there was one teacher called Mr. Sir Samuels. Okay, and we were literally scared of him. Like if we see Sir Samuel, we won't go to pissing also. I mean, he was such a scary creature in a school. But when we went to class 9, all of a sudden I realized that he's so short here. I mean, I'm not very tall, but he's shorter than me. I mean, he's like I can just put my hand on his head and stand. You know, he's so short. I thought, why I'm scared of this guy. I mean, no, this happens now, but you people have missed it. You people are
This
COVID
teacher
back,
used
and
to
you
give
people have-
weird punishment, so people used to just stay away from the floor that he used to sit in. He used to give punishment. Suppose you're running in the corridor, go to slow motion walking 3 rounds and then come back to me, and he just keep
Slow
looking at you doing the you
So all
walking.
these things changes when you go to class 9, 10. Anyways, okay, so we have done with this scene. Anybody wants to ask any question from here?
अभी नहीं, बाद में देखते हैं.
Oh, in my own good lizard time. Priya, any questions?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this scene is also complete. I'll make some MCQs. I have given you the question. From there only I'll make MCQs and I'll post it to you people so you can solve it all. Okay.
सर आज लैंग्वेज की
Tomorrow-
क्लास होगी.
Language class, yes, we will do. Don't worry. Give me 10 minutes, we'll do. Okay. And tomorrow, somebody send me the PDF because we are going to do Act 3, Scene 5 tomorrow.
5.
Okay. Chalo,
Yes, sir.
bye bye. I'll see you in 10 minutes.
Bye
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye
So then I
bye.
leave, sir.
Yeah, you leave. You have your lunch.
जाओ
I had my lunch.
पहली फुर्सत
Okay.
में निकल.